Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the pen shortcuts on your Wacom One 14. First of all, you have to connect your Wacom One tablet to your PC and then enter the Wacom Center application, which is the official software by Wacom. It gets downloaded automatically when you first connect your tablet to your PC, or if you enter the official website wacom.com/download, and here you'll find it. We also have a separate video on that topic on our channel. Now, so once you are here, go to the pen tab on the sidebar, and here select one of the three buttons on your pen. So either one of the physical buttons or the nib of your pen. Select it and then select a different shortcut for it. You can choose among the recommended ones: clicks, keyboard, tablets, and all the other ones. Just select the shortcut that you need and it will automatically change. If you want to restore default settings, just click default in the bottom right corner of the screen. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.